Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix error code 57. So the first time when you're getting this message, what you have to do is just have to go for the reboot computer, right? You have to try this. It's not still working. You have to follow this instruction, but you have to keep in mind that in my device it's already fixed. Now I'm going to show you the steps which is going to fix the error code in the Valorant. So here I have already fixed this, already fixed the error. But now I just wanted to make you notice to the viewers and subscribers how to sort this issue, right? So you have to follow these instructions to fix the issue. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go to the task manager, right? You have to click this. Then you have to go to startup, right? You have to click here at the top. Then you have to make sure that the Vanguard tray notification is enabled. So if it is disabled, you have to make it enabled, and in the same way you have to keep all these enabled, right? You have to keep all these enabled, and even if you're having any kind of confusion, you can disable the unwanted things once after you play the game. Once after that you can disable that, but for the time being you have to enable all these things, right? You have to enable all these things, right? So make sure especially the Vanguard tray notification is enabled, and once you're done with that, what you have to do is you just have to go to service, right? You have to click here, right? And then you have to click at open service here at the bottom. You have to click this. Then you have to select any one of these, and you have to go for VGC. You have to click this, right? You have to select this. Right click on this. Then you have to go for properties, right? And from here, as you can see that the startup type is manually, actually, as you can see here, and now you have to change this to automatic, right? You have to change this to automatic. Then you have to go for apply and go for OK, right? Then you have to cancel these and you have to close all these tabs, and just once after that, the very important thing what you have to do is the system you have to update your graphic drivers, so which is very important. So to do this you have to go here to the AMD, because I'm using AMD, so I'm not saying the same, but you have to go for the respective graphic drivers which you are using. If it is NVIDIA, you have to go for it, and even if you have any kind of Intel, you have to go for it, and just make sure that it is up to date. And now once you're done with that, just make sure go for the update. Such procedure will be there if you're not update, and once you're done with that, just have to close these. You have to make sure the very important step, which is you have to go for restart your device, right? It's very important. You have to go for the restart, and once you're done with the restart, the game will be able to play. Just once you're done with the restart and everything, you have to go for here and you have to play the game, right? So that's all about when it comes to how to fix error code 57 for the Valorant game. So if you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment sections, and any kind of doubts are most welcome so that we can get back to you. That's it. So even after trying, sometimes when you're trying to play the game, then there's the most probably that they will be asking for to sign in. So if it is asked on the sign in, you have to sign it with the respective username and the password which you have created, so you don't have to get tensed over there, right? So as you can see that mine, it worked fantastically, and if you find this really helpful, you have to share among your friendship circle so that it's work all good, right? So that's all about when it comes to how to fix the issue up, and don't forget to subscribe once again. And this is Shahan signing off from Get Shower Tips. Any kind of suggestions are most welcome, and doubts also, so that we can get back to you. See you soon in the next video. Peace out, keep practice social distance. That's it.